The name of this river is called Nangol River. Most people call it Langkar. Me and my friend, we went for fishing in this river, along with a stick and a string and a fish hook with fish food called earthworm. After we caught fish from the Nangol River, we came back home. On the way, we took bath in this river because the weather is very hot today. See the view. A small river flows over the heart of Khagrabari village, and it is very cold, and it is clear and fresh water that comes from the underground. It's a nice place to take a bath because of cold. You will feel fresh if you bath in this river. This small river never dries up in winter, nor any weather of a year. This road goes directly to Amguri by crossing the river Nangol by boat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like and comment. Thank you.